If you're a beginner trying to use vid.io for the first time, here are a few things to follow. Now this is a vid.io dashboard once you sign in, and there's lots of things you can do. Vid.io from the start helps you to see the different features that are available, so you can simply pick what you want. So if you'd like to have AI auto edit where you can edit your videos, you can simply click on this, upload your video in order to use it. If you'd like to have an AI image generator, here it is. You could also use vid.io to extract highlights from a longer video, use the AI playground to create videos with cutting-edge AI models, and if you'd like to create a script, you can use the AI script generator to generate professional video script using AI. There is also the clone your face and voice option here with the AI avatar, the AI dubbing to translate your video to any language, and the slides to video to turn slide decks into compelling videos. So all you need to do is to click on any of them. So we're going to click on AI clips, for example, and there you can see turn longer videos into perfect shorts, reels, or TikToks. So here you can see upload your own file. So you can click on upload video or choose files or drag them right here. So once you do that, you'll be having shorts as promised made by vid.io. And going back to the beginning, you can see on the left side panel, you can see home, which is where we are, and you can see brand kits and asset library. Before we go over to the details here, you can see that you'll be able to see your recent productions right here under recent videos. Then of course at the top, if you click on create, you'll see the same options of things you could do with vid.io. Then of course you have enhance your videos, you have the video compressor, video converter, and the YouTube description generator. You also have the eye correction, add auto subtitles, and magic cut. If you'd like to use the edit option, once you click on it, it's going to take you to an edit field. Now of course you'll need to firstly drop your video, and you could choose the files similar to what we had before, or of course you could upload from your phone, start by recording, or start with AI. Whatever you choose, you have your edit area. And this is where you can do more with vid.io. Of course, you have your main preview area where the playhead is, where you can move the playhead around your video. And then right here, you can see some options, and these options are based on what you select right here. So on the left side panel, you have AI tools, video, audio, image, subtitles, text, elements, and script. Whatever you need to do with your video, you just simply need to come over here and select what you want. If you'd like to work on audio, you can click on audio right here. You could also use the AI voice or upload your own voice. And then you also have stock music to have nice background music to your videos. If you'd like to have subtitles, we just clicked on subtitles. And here you can see you have three options. You could add media of your subtitles file, transcribe manually. You could add the media where it will automatically try to transcribe it based on what you provide. And then of course, if you'd like to do it manually, you can click on transcribe manually or upload your subtitles file. So these are the three main options available for you to improve your workflow with subtitles creation. And then of course you have other elements such as emojis, stickers, shapes, etc. These enhance your video if you'd like to do that. And you could simply come over here and drag and drop it to your video. So as you can see, we just added a progress bar, and you can see some details right here where you can make some edits. You have your rainbow border, you could change it to circle if you want it, or you could simply leave it as it was. You have so many options here, so you can pick from it. You have the start duration and the end duration. So if you'd like your progress bar to last for the duration of your video, you can set it from the beginning to the very end. And this will be applied to your video. Now once you're done, of course, you can click on done, and then you have the option to export your video. But before you do that, you want to make sure that you're selecting the right quality. You have standard, HD, 4K, and much more. So go ahead and select what applies to you, but do take note that you need to be on a valid subscription plan in order to enjoy the different options for exports available. So this is pretty much it on how to use vid.io as a beginner. Go ahead and try yourself and see what you can do to make your first video or production here on vid.io.